There, Shelly. We've been there.
From Waterhouse to Woolmer's,
where you ran the 100 meter in a blistering 11:57 seconds.
To becoming the first Jamaican woman to win the 100-meter Olympic gold in the 2008 Beijing Olympics.
We were there when you defended your title in 2012 at the London Olympics.
Proving to the world once and for all, never to doubt Jamaica's pocket rocket.
2-time individual Olympic gold medalist, 6-time individual world champion.
You've turned the Jamaican flag into an emblem of excellence.
Waving the black, green and gold proudly across the globe.
You've been our ambassador, our inspiration.
The embodiment of our collective hopes and dreams.
We were there throughout your moments of honor.
In 2008, the government awarded you the Order of Distinction.
Then you were made Special Envoy for Sports.
And 14 years later, the Order of Jamaica.
Multiple Sportswoman of the Year awards. Digicel, Brand Ambassador. These are but a few of the titles you've earned.
But to us, you are so much more. You've poured your courage into our people.
And raised the hopes of Waterhouse.
Championing causes that will uplift Jamaican girls who will one day honor your legacy.
We have been with you while you dashed through every transition.
From school champs to world championship.
From pocket rocket to Lonely Rocket.
From speed sensation to a living legend.
You are the very best of us, Shelly Ann Frazer Price.
And you make us proud.
I just want to wish you all the best.
Love, Mommy.
Love Jason, love Zion.
One love.
Love.
Jamaica.